want to make a quick video showing the difference between BMW's comfort access key fobs and their non-comfort access. So BMW's comfort access allows you to unlock the car without even pressing a button. So it allows you to actually, grip the handle on the side of a car, and your key fob could be actually in your pocket, and it would unlock the car. So from 2001 to 2008 on the BMW 7 Series, for example, you might have seen kind of a T-shaped fob like this one here. And if you look at these two, they look really similar, right? I mean, these look like pretty much the same key fob. Now, I don't have the valet key in this one, but when we flip them over, there's a big key difference. So on this one, you'll see there's kind of a cutout here. It's kind of rounded. And on this one, there's not. So this is the comfort access key. And so this would allow you to unlock the car with this in your pocket. This one doesn't have that battery slot, right? So to actually unlock the car, you'd have to hit the button here. Now, to change the battery on these is what I want to show you in this video. So in the comfort access keys, it's pretty straightforward. We can just remove the valet key here. Oh, I have strength, I swear. Okay. Didn't want to let me remove that for some reason. So we can remove the valet key here, and then this gives us a nice little point to take our handy flathead screwdriver and just kind of pop that backing off and get right into the CR2032 replaceable battery. Now, so that's for comfort access on that one. Same goes for the rectangular key. Now, this comfort access key was used significantly from 2007 to 2010 in the 5 series, 2004 to 2013 in the 1 series. It's a really popular key kind of in the mid to early 2000s and 2010s. And this one, same thing. You can pop the valet key out, and then there's an easy spot to pop in, get access to that 2032 replaceable battery. So these are for the comfort access keys. So it makes changing a battery if you have a comfort access key really straightforward. Now, where it gets tricky is if you have a non-comfort access key. So this has an actual rechargeable battery. So both these models here, if we flip them over, there's no key, there's no little small thing that we can pop off, right? These key fobs are just 2 pieces. So to get access to the key inside here, it's actually a rechargeable battery, and you have to really pry apart the middle of these fobs. And what I used was just a box cutter, and just kind of scored the edges of these keys. And you got to kind of get in there pretty good, but don't be afraid to get in there. You might want some super glue to fix this, because I'll show you what happens once you get in there. But for non-comfort access keys, you got to score around the edges, and then you can access the internal circuit board of comfort access key. So for this one on the 7 series, you can see the battery here. Now, this is a rechargeable battery, and these don't need to be replaced that often because they actually get charged when your key is in the ignition. But to replace these, if you ever do need to, these are a VL2020, and you can see there's 2 soldering points right here where this battery is attached. So you actually need to take a soldering iron and desolder these points, attach a new battery, and just make sure you get one with a 90-degree angle on the legs of the battery here. So desolder those 2 points, pop in a new battery, and then you're good to go. Same goes for the rectangular key here. So for non-comfort access, this would be for the 3 series, 2006 to 2012. This would be the X6, the X5. Use this key at some point. So you have to score the edges, cut this fob in half to get access to the circuit board here. And again, you've got a VL2020 rechargeable battery with legs on it that are attached, again, at 2 points here, kind of a 90-degree angles. You don't want 180. So make sure you get a 90-degree offset here, and then desolder those points there, and then attach a new VL2020 with the legs, solder that, and then that's how you replace the non-comfort access keys. So that's the difference between the comfort access key and the non-comfort access, and how you change the batteries in both.